I'm going to shred off the barley leaves in river. I've included some prasada and wicks embedded in ghee because they are the darkness at the river. I have included a matchstick also with me. The day before yesterday, I bought a new Motorola G96 mobile, due to which I had to remain awake throughout the night. And yesterday, I went to Kali Mata Temple or Kalka Temple, due to which I had to remain awake for editing my video. And when I woke up at 4 a.m., when I had to insert the curtains and place them accordingly in the drawing room, because renovation in the form of whitewash repairing is going on, due to which during this year the Barley shredding procedure has been delayed up to midnight. Since the mud bowl and the earthen idol is colorless, I have decided to dispose of at the other side of the bridge, because I don't think these kind of products are harmful for the environment or the flora and fauna around the river. So I'm driving car very slowly and cautiously, because goats can appear on any side of the trail, and there is a probability of cows or other kind of pebbles also. I've kept a torch light with me. Most of the time when I used to visit forest areas, I used to keep these items readily available. Motorola G96 is equipped with both front and selfie 4K video recording camera with 30 FPS, brilliant quality, stabilized video, possessing least frame loss. So I've reached the riverbed, but there are a lot of stray dogs, so it will be very difficult for me to come out. I have to wait or turn backwards. Either I should place the objects here or throw them from a distance. I'm not able to decide for the time being. I used to ride bicycle at this place, due to which I am familiar about the route. There is no problem in disposing of the holy objects here. And all of these material are biodegradable, including the barley leaves and earthen idol, which is colorless. But I will keep the cloth aside, and the prasadam will be distributed during the return journey to any poor person. You can see the moon shining, and the river is flowing briskly and calmly. So, deceiving the stray dogs, I went ahead and all the procedure was efficiently completed. Mother Goddess blessed me on Mahagauri or Ashtami night. It is 9:54 p.m. This time a lot of fuel was saved, and moreover it was not practical to visit the Shani temple as a regular schedule from several years, especially after migrating to Panchkula. Otherwise, the nearby temple was the place of accumulation from where all of these Barley rivers used to get transferred from Sundarvihar till Haridwar. And when we stayed at Tilak Nagar from 1973 to 1991, then Gita Bhavan Mandir was the place where these Barley rivers and holy objects were placed each quarter year. This time Navratras occurred within 5 months and 10 days only. Hindus will celebrate Dashera also. I will try to record some beautiful videos of burning effigies and the largest devil effigies are manufactured here in Tri-City, and Panchkula is the place where all of these evils will be burnt symbolically, and all those non-believers who are boycotting that religious festival in Ujjain will definitely be punished, since they belong to mosque demolition group and church vandalizing group, which can't be authenticated as a political party till extinction of Earth One. And I have already explained you in my past video, especially yesterday's one. So I have reached the Summit Temple, located on the side of the bridge. प्रसाद लेना है बाबा? है बाबा? प्रसाद रखा है, प्रसाद रखा है, प्रसाद रखा है नहीं? ले लो भाई. I'm ending this broadcast. Please subscribe to my channel, and all of you are blessed with Navaratras and other festivals like Dussehra. So I've reached home. You can see the paint, putty and other repair materials scattered everywhere from past 4 days. They were busy in repairing all kind of paints which were destroyed during the rainfall. You can see most of the seeping water has been covered, but the root cause of all the flooded water pipes is still not resolved. The only portion of the T bend located near the edge of this wall, which was inserted and installed afterwards in 2007 July, because the roof water was also collected at the first floor lobby, and it was detected by me. But even then, the small portion of T was damaged because of extreme weather and sunlight, due to which these portions were damaged and water used to get accumulated inside the first floor also. And then I transferred the Xbox and D-Link Eagle router 15 to the center of this wall. Immediately when I noticed during past month midnight cloudburst and extreme rainfall. Thanks a lot for joining my broadcast. Please share it, subscribe my channel.